I'm Beth with the University of Florida Escambia County Extension, and I wanted to share with you about a shrub that we more recently have been able to grow here in North Florida. This is the beautiful flowering shrub called Thryallis, and I think people also call it rain of gold because of all the flowers that are all over the evergreen shrub. Now for us, this is going to be a nice size. It's going to be, you can see, a little bit taller than I am, so a little bit over 5 feet, a nice rounded shape in a full sun garden. It is a Florida friendly plant, even though it's not native to our area. It's well adapted and it doesn't have any characteristics of growing out of bounds and going wild. Now the advantage of Thryallis is in the summer months and into fall, you're going to have these beautiful yellow flowers all over the ends of the branches, so lots of bright color. It's not going to need a lot of supplemental water unless we go through an extended drought. Now the downside in North Florida is this shrub can freeze back a little bit, but we've been mild enough recently that it's returned really well. So if you're thinking about some nice bright color, think about Thryallis. It's not the sturdiest of branches, so don't put it where you would run into it a lot. You may get a little breakage, but otherwise it's going to be low maintenance and a really nice color for your landscape.